Very good morning, my dear students. Welcome to the science class. So today we are going to discuss about the new chapter. The name is acids, bases and salts. Especially it comes under chemistry. So we are going to discuss about the chemistry. First you should know the meaning of acids, bases and salts. What is the purpose to study this? Because in our day-to-day life, we are taking the food and fruits. So we are taking the food and some fruits. Someone it gives the sour in taste, someone it gives the bitter in taste. So on what basis it gives the such type of the tastes? So, because these acids and bases are present in that fruits and food. So, in this lesson, we are going to discuss more in detail about meaning of acid bases and also with the examples. Next, what are the types of acids and bases, and also its physical and chemical properties of the acids as well as bases. So, in this class, we can study in detail about meaning of acid and bases. Also it's an example. So acid, it means it is substance when it dissolves in the water. It is substance when it dissolves in the water, it gives H plus ions. H plus it means hydrogen ions. In those solution it gives hydrogen ions, then we can say that is called as acid. It's called as acid. So in that of phase acids, we can see several types of acids. So in normal you can in science lab you can using hydrochloric acid. Hydrochloric can be known as HCl. Sulfuric acid. It is a very strong acid. It is a king of all the chemicals. King of all the chemicals is sulfuric acid. Okay, it's a strong acid. H2, SO4 and HNO3. So these acids are called as inorganic acids. Inorganic, it means mineral acids. These are dangerous. So remaining acids, oxalic acid, lactic acid, methanoic acid. So these are called as organic acids. These are helpful. Okay, it is present in some fruits and food and as well as in milk. So lactic acid is present in the milk. So it is good for health. In our daily life, we can drink that milk. Okay, and some taking the fruits, apple. In that apple, there's some tomato. Tomato is excellent. So these type of acids are called as organic acid. So in the acid, we can define classify into two categories. One is organic acids, second one is inorganic acids. So organic acids are oxalic acid, lactic acid, malic acid, tartaric acid, citric acid. So citric acid is present in the lemon. Okay, for making any food, you can lemon. So lactic acid is present in the lemon and tartaric acid is present in the turmeric. So these type of acids are present. So it gives the different tastes. So next, so these inorganic acid. So inorganic acid is HCl, H2SO4, HNO3. So again, in inorganic acids, you can classify into two categories. One is strong acids and another is weak acids. One is strong and another is weak. So what are the some acids that comes under strong? So these three all comes under strong acids. Then what are the weak acids? Weak acids is acetic acid. Okay, it is also known as methanoic acid. Its formula is CH3COOH. methanoic acid is a weak acid. So why it is called as weak acid means this presence of COH, that is functional group of acetic acid is carboxylic acid. So it is called as weak acid. So these are the concept about the acid. Next concept is bases. So what do you mean by bases? Same, bases is meaning it is a substance when it dissolves in the water, it gives hydroxyl ions. Hydroxyl, it is denoted as OH minus. So compared to the acid, in acid it gives H plus ions. H plus means hydrogen ions. Hydrogen. But instead of hydrogen ions, it gives hydroxyl ions. OH minus. You can denote the minus sign. So if any metal or ion or element on the top of the row can denote the plus sign means it is called as cation. Similarly, if any atom or molecule, an element or ion, it can show the negative sign, it is called as anion. So negative sign is called anion. So these bases, in that also we can classify into strong bases and weak bases. Strong bases and weak bases. So what are the examples comes under the strong bases? So NaOH. NaOH is the sodium hydroxide. Na is sodium, OH is hydroxide, sodium hydroxide. Similarly, second one is potassium hydroxide. K is potassium, OH is hydroxide, potassium hydroxide. Next NH4OH. NH4 is ammonia, OH is hydroxide, ammonium hydroxide. These are the basic, strong bases. Okay. Next, weak bases also this one. One is weak bases. So this is the little meaning and examples and also types of acids and bases. So next, what is its physical properties? Physical properties. Acids is sour in taste. Is it sour in taste? While bases are bitter in taste. Bases are bitter in taste. So acid, how we come to know? For example, a lemon. While tasting, you can get it is sour in taste. So then, which type of the acids are present in that lemon? So citric acid. Citric acid is in that lemon. So how can, for example, you can taste the food and fruits, you can judge which acid is present. But in some solutions, in a science laboratory, some solutions are there, can label it. If it is not labeled any names, how we can find out which one is acids and bases? We are using the special type of indicators. So indicators tells us whether the solution is acidic or basic. Acidic or basic solutions. So litmus. Litmus is a paper or dye in color. Okay. If it is litmus paper is dipped into the acid, so it gives the color is blue to red color. Blue to red color. So then that you have to judge the solution is acid. Suppose if the litmus paper is dipped into the basic solution, then that type of the color red is changes to the blue color. Red color changes into blue color. Then you can judge that solution is a base. So like that you have to judge the acids and bases. Litmus is an indicator. It tells us whether solution is acid and bases. In that indicators, again we can classify into two categories. One is natural indicators and second one is synthetic indicators. So natural indicators. What are the examples of natural indicators? Turmeric, okay, and some leaves, some flowers of the leaves, and olfactory indicators, onion. So these are the natural indicators. Synthetic indicators. What are the synthetic indicators? synthetic or human-made, man-made indicators is fingerprint indicators and meteorologist indicators. So these things indicators are using to find out the solutions as acids and bases. Okay, let us today's class is over. Next class we will continue. Okay, thank you.